Good morning, everybody. Mom Terry needs your help. Oh my gosh, I was just getting ready to do the headlamp one, and I have a weird sound coming from my van. So I know what it is. If I turn the air conditioning on, let's take a listen, okay? I'm going to turn my air conditioning on. Hold on, let's turn air conditioning, and we turn it on. Give it a second. Do you hear that? Then when I turn it off. If any of my loyal followers out there know what's going on, and yes, it was just at the mechanic and everything's perfect. So could you guys please write in the comments below or email me? And that's in the description below. Thank you.